So for today's lesson, we just need the G chord. Now, if you can't play the big G, you can just do a little G. It's great for the kids, the bottom 3 strings. It's only 1 finger, otherwise do your big G, and then the C chord. Again, if you want to do the mini C, 2nd string, 1st fret, and then the D7, you could play the D, well, I'm playing the D7 in this example, which is the 2nd fret of the 1st string, 3rd finger, 1st fret of the 2nd string, 1st finger, and middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, bottom 4 strings to strum. So we're going to start off with a G chord for Twinkle Twinkle. So it's twinkle, twinkle, C, little, star, back to C, how, I, back to G, wonder, what, you, G. So you notice that I'm playing the G in a slightly different way. I'm not playing like this. This makes it slightly easier to swap between the C and the G, okay? Using your little finger down there, your 3rd at the top, and your 2nd on the 2nd fret there. Up, straight to the C, above the world, so high. Like, G again, back to C, diamond, G, in the sky, and then back to G, twinkle, twinkle, C chord, G, C chord, G, D7, G, okay? So I've got the tab down below. If you just go to richcguitar.net if you want to download that, what's come up on the screen. Let's do the lead now. So I'm doing it the whole song in G. So I've just tried to keep it simple. It's all based off the G major scale. So you could do it in any key, but I'm going to keep it on 1 string. It's the 3rd string, 1, 2, 3. So the G string, and we're going to go all the way up to the open string, and then the 7th fret, then the 9th fret, back to 7, then 5, 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 2s, and a 0. Now you go back up to 7, 2 7s, 2 5s, 2 4s, 2s, back up to 7, 5, 4, 2, and then back to the start again. So we've got 0 on here. 7, 9, 7, back to 5, 4, 2, and 0. Okay, so you can repeat that as many times as you like. You could do the 6 verses, you can just do it once, you could do it as a duet. It's totally up to you, but have some fun and practice those chord changes. And if you want to do the mini G and the mini C, and then the D7, it's a really nice chord set. So hopefully that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.